I'm trying to put away all my groceries, and I got to the toilet paper, and I remembered a couple of weeks ago I left it in the garage, and when we had all that rain, it ended up getting soaking wet. So I wanted to be sure to store my toilet paper in a good place this week so that it doesn't get ruined. So I've been thinking about how we've been talking about volume, and I have it with a length of 12 and a width of 1 and a height of 1, but I know I don't have room to store it like that, so I'm trying to think of some other ways that I could store it. So then I was thinking maybe a 6 by 2 by 1. So I have a length of 6, and then I'm going to have a width of 6, and I'll still leave it with a height of 1. So let's see how that works out. You know, I still don't think I've got enough space to do it like that. So maybe now I can try a length of 3, and we'll try a width of 2, and then I'm going to try, maybe we'll do a height of 2. So let's see what that looks like. So now I've got my length of 3, it's too wide, and then it's too tall. So I think that I have room to store that in my cabinet. You know, I could also maybe try a length of 4. Let's try that. If I have a length of 4, and then I'm going to have just a width of 1 and a height of 3. So I would have a 4 by 1 by 3. So I kind of like that option too. Now there are some other ways that I could arrange it as well. So I want you to kind of think about that, and in your composition notebook, instead of arranging toilet paper, I want you to start a new page with today's date. So it's going to be the 16th. And then you're going to list some ways that we could arrange 24 of these cars. So I want to send my brother 24 of these. And I want to, think about the best way that I could ship this to him. So come up with as many different ways, and then we'll talk about maybe which way is the best. So be sure to write your different ways that we could ship 24 of these cars in your composition notebook, and then I want you to upload it on the Google form. And then you can turn in your assignment. And be ready to talk about it tomorrow. Have a good virtual Wednesday.